Messenger, how to unsend message. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can unsend messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unsend message on Messenger, it's quite very simple to do so. If I open the Messenger application and let's say I send a certain chat to someone that I don't want to send at all, so I'll just send a certain chat over here and then hit the arrow icon on the right hand side. And now let's say that there is maybe a spelling mistake or a typo mistake, and then I would like to delete the chat and also delete it from other person's account. For that, all I need to do is just long press on the messages that you want to delete, and then after that tap the more icon here, tap on remove, tap on the unsend option. If you tap on remove for you, the message is only going to get removed for you and not for the other person. Since you want to unsend it, you have to tap the option called unsend. Now this will definitely delete the message, but as a result it's also going to let the other person know that you have unsent a message. But this way you can actually unsend on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.